Hey guys, I will show you how to fix this problem on Windows system. So in the first step, right click on the start icon and click on Task Manager. Once we are here, we need to click on Run New Task, then select Browse button. Now go to this PC, open C drive, then open Windows folder, then find out System32 folder. Here it is. Double click on it to open it, and in the System32 folder we need to find out cmd.exe. so here it is. Just select it and click on open. Now check this box. This will create this task with administrative privileges and click on OK. So once we are here, we need to close all the background windows and we are going to focus on the command prompt window now. We need to execute some commands, so type all these commands carefully and hit enter to execute them. So this solution is applicable for Windows 10 as well as Windows 11 operating system, so don't worry, just follow my screen. So type your net sh space winsock space reset and hit enter. So this will take some time to complete the process, we need to wait for it. And once done, we need to type in net sh winsock reset space catalog and hit enter. Then type in net sh intip reset log.txt and hit enter. And in the last, we need to type ipconfig space / flush DNS and hit enter. So all the commands are completely executed, so we need to restart the computer to complete all the actions. So we need to type exit and hit enter. Now restart the system. You can also check out our description link to fix this issue quickly and effectively. Go and check out. And yeah, don't forget to like the video and please do subscribe to the channel. Restart the system and your problem will be solved.